place where you can sit back, relax, and gently improve your English without any effort. I'm Emma, and with me is my good friend Jack.
Hello. We are so happy you're here with us. Learning a new language can feel overwhelming sometimes, but it doesn't have to be. Tonight, or today, whenever you're listening, we are here to guide you in the most soothing way possible.
That's right. You don't need to do anything. Just listen, let our voices flow, and enjoy this peaceful moment, because the best way to learn is to feel relaxed and comfortable.
So, find a cozy spot, take a deep breath, and let's begin our journey into the world of English.
You know, Jack, one of the easiest ways to improve English is just by listening.
Yes, listening is like magic. You don't have to force it. Your brain absorbs the language naturally, just like when we were babies, learning our first words.
Exactly. When you listen to English every day, in podcasts, in music, in simple conversations, your ears get used to the sounds, the rhythm, the flow.
And even if you don't understand every word, it's okay, because your brain is still learning. It's picking up patterns, sounds, new words, little by little.
That's why we speak slowly here, to help your ears get used to every sound, every word.
Another little secret is to surround yourself with English, like a soft blanket.
Oh, I love that image. A warm, cozy blanket of English.
Imagine watching a simple English show, or listening to music in English while you cook, or reading just a few sentences in English before bed.
Yes, and one of my favorite things is to think in English, even for just a few minutes a day.
That's a good one. Instead of translating from your language, try to describe things around you in English, like, I see a blue sky, or I'm drinking warm tea.
And it's okay if the sentences are simple. The more you do it, the more natural it becomes.
Another wonderful way is shadowing. Have you heard of that?
Oh yes. Shadowing is when you repeat words or sentences just after you hear them, like an echo.
Yes, it helps train your tongue and your ears.
Try it now, dear listener. Repeat after me. I am learning English.
Good. Now a little faster. I am learning English.
See, just like that, step by step.
Speaking of natural, what about practicing speaking?
I know that speaking can feel scary, but here's the secret. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
Even speaking to yourself in the mirror can help.
Oh yes, I love doing that. Just looking into the mirror and saying, "Hello, how are you today?" with a smile.
Or reading aloud, even if it's just a single sentence.
Yes, feeling the words in your mouth, letting them flow. It all helps.
Another way to get better is through reading and writing.
Writing is like talking, but slower.
That's beautiful. Writing helps us see the words, remember them, play with them.
Yes, even writing a short diary entry in English, just a few sentences, can help build vocabulary.
And we can't forget the biggest challenge, the fear of making mistakes.
Yes, that fear, it can be heavy.
But, dear listener, let me tell you something. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are proof that you are learning.
Every mistake is like a little step forward.
And do you know what? People don't care if you make mistakes. They care that you try.
That's so true. The most important thing is to keep going.
So, Emma, What's a simple habit to stay consistent in learning English?
I think doing something small every day, just 5 minutes.
5 minutes. That's easy.
Yes, listen to a song, write one sentence, watch a short video, just something small, but every day.
Like planting a tiny seed and watching it grow.
Exactly. Little by little, English will become part of your life.
And now, dear listener, it's time to rest.
Yes, but remember, learning English is a journey, not a race.
Yes, and every small step, every little moment you spend listening, reading, speaking, it all adds up.
So don't rush, don't stress, just enjoy the process.
You are doing so well, and we are so proud of you.
So proud.
So now, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let the words sink in.
Rest well, dream in English, and we'll see you again very soon. Good night, or good morning, wherever you are. Keep learning, keep growing.
Sweet dreams.